take not more than 5 minutes to solve this caselet fast. Many of you have answered this question. Let's start discussion. Before we do, I should mark the correct answers so that you can take a screenshot. So the correct answers are question number 1, it is A for A option, India. Question number 2, the correct answer is none of the above can be inferred, that is D. Question number 1 is A, 2 is D. Third one answer is D for Delhi, and fourth one the answer is, I think it will be, just a minute, it is C for Calcutta. Okay, so these are the answers, and I hope you will take in a screenshot or a photograph. Now let's start the discussion for this particular question. So you can see, you would have read the question. It's a simple percentage question. So whenever a percentage question is given to you, you can never find out the absolute values. They are asking you about absolute value in question number 2. So you can very straight ahead rule out question number 2. Anyway, let's look at the question number 1 first. They're asking the country with the largest change in FEI. FEI is foreign, whatever that is given, in 1998 relative to its FEI in 1997 is. Now you can see over here the change is almost 1 in India. What is FEI change? What will be the change? Final value minus initial value upon initial value, right? In India it is happening almost one change has happened. 1 upon what? Upon 0.72. So the ratio over here will be the highest, and that's a no-brainer. India is the correct answer over here, right? So let's look at question number 2. Question number 2 is they are asking absolute values, absolute value. Everywhere it is percentages, ratio. You can never find actual value if all the data given is in absolute value, or all the data given is in percentage or ratio figures, right? So our correct answer is D. I hope it is clear to you. Next is, so you can see this question and you can take a screenshot of the solution as well. So the information that is given, 1997 to 1998, China's GDP has grown from 100 to, like, I have assumed it to be 100, 7% higher, so 107. Then India's 100 to 102. Sorry, Korea's 100 to 95, right? And similarly, I have written down the data for their FEI. Sorry, FEI data I have written over here. You can very well relate that this is greater, this is greater, this is smaller, and you can read the statements and get to the correct answer. The correct answer will be 2 and 5. Okay, please take a screenshot of this if you want, or this is the correct way of doing this question. Okay, look at the next question. Next question they're asking, China's foreign equity inflows in 1998 were 10 times that onto India. It can be concluded that now China's was 10 times that of India. Okay, so can I say this ratio is as close as 1.4, and this ratio would be for China 10 upon 4.8. This is as close as 2.1. What is the increment from over to here? What is the difference? What is the difference between these two? It is exactly 50%. This is what they are talking about. 1 upon 0.72 and 10 upon 4.8, which is for China, you can see. And this difference over here is China's GDP is 50% higher. So the correct answer will be C for Calcutta. Okay. So guys, enough of percentage caselets. With this, I rest the percentage caselets. All these caselets I'll share it with you.